I'm Chef Rachel and I'm representing Carysil Kitchen Appliances. Carysil, one of the most sought names in the industry of sink and kitchen appliances, has always delivered excellence at every approach. These high-grade products are a live example of the perfect blend of innovation and quality. Let me take you through one of the most in-demand domestic appliances of Carysil, the built-in oven. With not 4, 5 or 6, but the Bio One is power-packed with 8 cooking functions adapted to the Indian cooking needs like oven, toaster, griller, barbecue, tandoor, hotkeys and many more. Now you do not have to set the temperature, the timer or any other function manually because it has a total touchscreen sensor control. Be it any function, its buttery touch sensor control makes your cooking activity hassle-free and faster. So what if you want to check the cook status of your food in between? Do not worry. Carysil's Bio One is designed like a European-style telescopic shelf, so you can have a better hold of the heavy tray whenever you want. Now you can check on your food as many times as you want. Another function of the rotisserie for all types of food lovers is that it roasts your food evenly and gives a proper crunchy taste. You don't have to compromise with less cooked or uncooked food anymore because Bio One's advanced convection system provides a uniform 360-degree heat spread inside the chamber to cook your food evenly from all the sides. It is so engineered with perfection that its triple-layer glass door provides a better heat insulation without making the glass hotter than your food from the outside. The Bio One comes to you power-packed with a 65-liter capacity comprising of one enamel baking tray and a wire rack rotisserie. With the Carysil's Bio One innovative oven, let your kitchen do the talking.